really nice. They usually put it in like 2 boxes. You're gonna get the bigger box out first, and then they put all these like little things, support things on the side to make sure that it's protected. And then we're gonna cut the actual box with the box with the sink. So you go, and I want to get you guys' opinion. What you guys think? So the brand is Glacier. So it's Undercounter Granite kitchen sink. And this is the manual, how to install it. I don't know if I'm gonna need this, but it's always help to have it around. It helps sometimes. Sometimes it does not. The instructions are not that good. All right, we'll put that on the side. We got the brackets to hold the counter, to hold the sink on the counter. And there's this little plastic thing over here. And then this is like the drain thing. Yeah, drain assembly says right here, drain assembly. The screws on there. If you watch the video for the tab, the tab is a metal one that locks into the drain plug. And this one has like a little threads right here just to tighten up into the sink. It's got all the stuff I need in here, so we'll put that on the side. And then this is the sink right here. It is a heavy one. There it is. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is like a black granite sink. Right here, under the counter granite kitchen sink. It's made out of granite. Granite composite. So it's gonna go to my kitchen, have a big tub, a counter, cabinet. So this is going to be on there. So this is a granite composite sink. So it looks like this. Alright, so for the first time, this is not made in China. This is made in Germany. Surprise, surprise. So everything is made in China nowadays. It looks so nice, it's made in Germany. But everything is all written in Germany. I don't read Germany, so I don't understand it. Right? And it's from Home Depot. So if you like this, if you've ever used this, please let me know what you think and how you like it. And if this is something you would recommend, I think it looks nice. You go to Home Depot and see like the displays, it looks really nice, like the displays I have in Home Depot. That's how I looked at it. It's got one little drain in there, and it's large. I have a similar thing in my own house, a similar sink, so I like it. It doesn't really stain, it doesn't scratch. It's very lovely. So Glacier Bay on the counter granite kitchen sink, right there. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and if this is something you would put in your own kitchen. The kitchen is just right behind me right here. We're waiting for the countertop to be installed, and then we can install it. But the countertop, people needs to see the sink first, and then they will measure the sink before they can measure and cut the granite countertop. So what do you guys think? This is gonna look really nice with, you know, stainless steel appliances, and then like a countertop that's white and other like speckles of black speckles on it, like a granite countertop. Yeah, I think it'll look really nice. So keep following for more updates and see how things are going. But so far this looks really awesome. It looks really nice, I think. Let me know in your comments what you think. Granite sink right here. It looks fantastic. It looks fantastic. Let me know what you think. So there's the kitchen. The sink is going on that kitchen island right there. If you guys can see it. Yep. Let me show you the cabinet. There's a sink. You can see the dishwasher right here. That little fabric, white fabric on top. That's the dishwasher. And then the sink is going on this cabinet right here. And then we're gonna get an extended granite countertop. It's gonna cover all this, all the way here. It's gonna be a nice kitchen island with the granite countertop, and all the granite is gonna be on the other side where the stove is, and all the way to that side. All right, and let me just zoom back so you can see the whole kitchen. So it looks like that. It looks very nice with the brown cabinets, dark brown cabinets, and black kitchen sink, and then white and with like maybe gray or black speckles on a granite countertop. Is gonna look awesome. Yeah. If you have any suggestions, or if you have any ideas, or you're an interior designer, you know better, just leave a comment on this video and let me know what you think. If a white counter would be good, or a different type of color would be better. But I think it looks awesome. All right, then thank you guys. Later.